In this video, we will connect the Jhoom app with Firebase. Visit the Firebase website, then click on Get Started with Firebase. Enter your desired project name and click Continue. Choose a Google Analytics account if prompted, and click Create Project. Wait while the project is created. Now click on Continue to access the Firebase dashboard. Now to connect the Flutter app on the dashboard. Locate and click on the Flutter icon to initiate the app setup. Now click on the Next button. Now copy the first command and open the project in VS Code, then open the terminal. Now paste the command copied and press Enter. After activating Firebase CLI, go back to Firebase Add App page and copy the second command. Again, go to the Flutter project's terminal and paste the command to connect the app with Firebase. Now it will ask you to select the platform you want to add in Firebase. You have to unselect all the options except Android and iOS. Now the app is successfully connected to the Firebase. Now go back to the Firebase Add App page and click on Next, then click on Continue to Console. Now refresh the page, and you will see that you have successfully connected the iOS and Android app. Thanks for watching.